Thiruvan University 2079 partial exam, bachelor level, 4 years program, education, B.Ed first year, chemistry first, science education 416, major subject, question paper, full marks 80, time 3 hours. There are 3 groups. In group A, here are given 14 questions. Each question has mark 1 and total marks of group A is 14, and group B of marks 42 and group C of marks 24. Group A, attempt all the questions. Tick the best answer. Question number 1. Which theory deals about dual nature of matter? A. Hensberg principle. B. Aufbau principle. C. D. Broglie's principle. D. Pauli's principle. Question number 2. Which of the following is an ionic compound? A. CH4. B. CH3. Ci. C. CCl4. D. NaBr. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is true? A. Lewis acid is a proton donor. B. Lewis base is a proton acceptor. C. Lewis acid is an electron deficient species. D. Lewis base is an electron pair acceptor. Question number 4. Which elements belong to the D block element? A. Aluminium. B. Argon. C. Magnesium. D. Zinc. Question number 5. What is the oxidation number or sulfur in the compound MgHSO3 2? A. +2. B. -2. C. -4. D. +4. Question number 6. On which factor in the following does the solubility of a substance depend? A. Particle size. B. Volume of solvent. C. Pressure. D. Color. Question number 7. What is the unit of rate of reaction for a second order reaction? A. Per second. B. Mole per liter per second. C. Per mole liter per second. D. Mole L square per second. Question number 8. From which mixture of buffer solution can be prepared? A. Strong acid and its salt of weak base. B. Weak acid and its salt of weak base. C. Strong acid and its salt of weak base. D. Weak acid and its salt of strong base. Question number 9. Which of the following is an example of foam? A. Shaving cream. B. Jelly. C. Oil. D. Butter. Question number 10. How much grams of sodium carbonate is required to prepare 250 cc of its 0.1 Newton solution? A. 0.53 gram. B. 1.325 gram. C. 2.65 gram. D. 5.3 gram. Question number 11. Which factor in the following can affect on the reactivity of alkanes? A. Electronic effect. B. Mesomeric effect. C. Resonance effect. D. Hyperconjugation. Question number 12. Which of the following conformers has the greatest amount of potential energy? A. Gachi staggered. B. Anti-staggered. C. Totally eclipsed. D. Partially eclipsed. Question number 13. Which compound in the following is the most reactive? A. Alkanes. B. Alkanes. C. Alkanes. D. Benzene. Question number 14. What is the Huckel's magic number? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 12. Attempt all the question. Group B. Question number 1. State and explain the postulates of Bohr's model of atom. Question number 2. What are ionic compounds? Explain the covalent character in the ionic compounds. Question number 3. Define rate of reaction. Derive an integrated rate equation for the first order reaction. Or question. What is the buffer solution? Why the pH value of buffer solution does not change in an inert addition of a little acid or a base. Question number 4. State and explain Le Chatelier's principle. Question number 5. What is an inductive effect? How does the inductive effect affect on acidity of alcohols? Question number 6. Arrange the different conformers of ion botany according the increasing order of their stability. Explain the reason behind it. Or question. Differentiate between enantiomers and diastereomers with suitable example. Group C. Question number 7. What are the important ores of copper? How would you extract copper from pyrite ore? Write down the reaction involved in it. Or question. What are strong and weak electrolytes? Explain Ostwald's dilution law. What are its limitations? Question number 8. Define reaction mechanism. Explain the mechanism and orientation and reactivity of इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एडिसन रिएक्सन. बीएड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा विल एन्ड टुगेदर भन्यामको प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खन्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पले प्रिपरेसन राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रोसँग दिनु होला। वी लर्न टुगेदर 1M भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।